Ladies and gentlemen, Golimar Productions presents another Ren's Cube in blindfold mode edition.
Cameraman, Mr. 9 minutes.
Blindfold ba o hindi? Oh, it's not blindfold. And you see the time here? Will Master Renz do that again in less than 30 seconds or 9 minutes? Let's see.
Nolmo! It's Ren's emo.
Let the games begin.
Look at my watch.
And here comes running in the corner. It's Blow End. Ginagawa niya po, mga kaibigan. Ren's Cube. Ren's Cube. Timer, timer, timer. Standby. Standby, standby. Standby, timer. Timer, standby. Oh, oh. Timer, standby. Oh, 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 oh. Napaka-suspense po dito.
Tuloy ako.
Ano oras na? Ano oras na? Time na ba?
35.
12:09 pa lang. 12:09 pa lang. 12:09 pa lang. 15 na ba? Ayan na! Ayan na! Dalawa na lang! Look at the face! The face of Ren's Cube! Look at the time!
49.
Oh! 50 seconds! May bottle pang 0.5 eh.
Tama na.
Tama na, tama na. Sayang memory.